Hello, and thank you for clicking on the video link for an exciting new tool brought to you by Alexanderwerk. Our screen tensioning tool that you will see in this video was developed by our senior service technician in response to feedback we received from customers and machine operators and from our own experience with granulator screens. It's vital to the granulation process that the granulation screens are correctly and consistently installed on our roller compactors. Thanks to this new tool, achieving consistent screen installation every time is easier than ever to achieve. The installation protocol featured in this video shows how easy it is for one person to install a granulation screen into the screen frame with consistent and repeatable results, eliminating installation errors and variations in results from operator to operator. Here you can see the manual screen tensioning process as demonstrated by one of our technicians. The screen is carefully pushed against the screen holder that is also often referred to as screen basket. First, one side gets pushed against the basket and the screen is slightly fastened by its clamping screw. Then, the basket is flipped over to tension and tighten the other clamping screws. Variances due to operator experience and physical strength may lead to possible inconsistent screen to basket tightness. Alexanderwerk's new tool addresses these issues. The screen is pushed firmly into its designed position with a consistent force using a lever and camshaft. The lever operates with minimal force and the camshaft stops prevents over-tightening. Additional benefits are that the screen installation time is significantly reduced and it helps increase overall safety as well. Please see here the lever camshaft mechanism at a greater level of detail. The lever A turns the camshaft B, helping move the screen holder C towards the main tension drum D. This results in a very stable assembly and tensioning process, resulting in no gap between screen holder and screen, shown here. Here you can see the screen tensioning tool in action. The screen is carefully installed into the holder. Note that the tool is made from stainless steel and high-quality food-grade plastic materials. Then the holder is installed into the tool. The lever with the camshaft is put in place, followed by the main cover plate. Now comes the most important part, and that is moving the tension lever into the tensioning position. That is all that it takes to properly forcing the screen into its designed zero gap position. It is followed by tightening the screen clamping screws and removing the screen holder assembly from the tool. The component is ready to assemble back into the Alexanderwerk roller compactor. Nice, assembled, no gap. We hope that you find this tool interesting. Please find your regional Alexanderwerk representative and contact us for a live demonstration and/or quotation. See you until next time.